Hello Professor, this is Kumudini and today I am demonstrating my Lab2 for DPS912. So for this lab I created a C++ program called lab2-kumu.cpp. So in my directory I have all the files that you have provided, libidutil.a and the header file as well, and I linked it with the provided static library lipid.a using a makefile. So in the makefile I have used this flag because the library was compiled using the older GNU C++ ABI, and I also used the NoPy to fix linker issues on Ubuntu. So firstly I will compile the program using make. So let me first make sure that I clean it, and when I run it using make, this creates the executable file called lab2-kumu. So right now here I have my executable file. So now when I run the program, we can have this output, which is the expected output of all the PIDs, and also my PID of my lab1 that I created, and also the error message in the end. So at the top we have the PID and the name as well. So now I will talk about the code. So if I open my code, this is my code. So I first created a vector called piglist to store all the process IDs in here, and then I call the get all PIDs to get all the running processes IDs on the system. Then I after that I use a loop to go through each PID and call get name by PID to print the process name for each process, like here. Next I set the PID to 1 and call get name by PID again to get the name of PID 1, which is usually systemd, like we saw in the output. Then I test get PID by name function by searching for the process named lab2-kumu, which is the currently running executable. Finally a search for lab11, which does not exist. So to test error handling, the program correctly prints the error message using get error message, like we just saw. So I will show the output again. And I also used the error status throughout the program to check whether each function call succeeded or failed. So this is the end of my lab for lab2 for DPS912. Thank you so much for watching. This is the end.